Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna get to the point of this video. The last couple of weeks, I've been noticing a strange sound coming from the rear of my Infiniti QX70. The sound occurs not every single time I accelerate or decelerate. I notice like this strange thud sound coming from the rear. Hopefully you can hear it through the camera. Right now I'm coasting. I'm gonna just briefly tap the gas pedal. So I'm pretty sure you heard that through the camera. Again, it doesn't happen every single time, but it's getting to the point where it's really annoying. So again, I'm coasting. I'm gonna tap the gas. Yeah, that's kind of strange. And there's a turkey. They're coming out more. Alright, so I'm just gonna try one more time. Okay, there it goes. You can hear it there. See? It's not normal. Again, it doesn't happen every single time. It happens more like in bumper to bumper traffic. It sounds like it's coming from the rear on the right side. Yeah, that doesn't sound right. Yeah, I've never heard this sound before. I don't think it's normal. Anytime I press the gas, I shouldn't feel or hear that sound or even feel it in my seat, because I feel it inside the cabin. So there you go. Before I take my QX70 to the Infiniti service department, I want to do a visual inspection of the rear undercarriage to see if anything looks out of the ordinary. And I think this will be a good opportunity for all of us to, just to see, just the undercarriage, to see how it looks. Alright guys, so I finally made it home. I'm going to focus my visual inspection on the rear on the right side. Primarily, that's where I'm hearing the sound consistently. Anytime I hear that thud, it's always on the right side of the car. So let's go ahead and get underneath the car and take a look. I don't see anything out of the ordinary so far. There doesn't seem to be any type of damage, nothing unusual. Again, I'm just focusing on this side here because this is where I'm hearing the sound. Blinds look good. No fluid loss of any kind. So the only other thing I can think of that may be causing the sound may be coming from the rear differential. So as you can see here, there is no obvious damage or any type of issue, any type of leaks that I can see. In case you're curious, these dry run marks, they look like, like some oil that was leaking. It came from the original mount of the rear subframe carrier. The original went bad, and what happens is that there's actually some type of fluid that's in here where the rear differential connects to this mount here. That fluid pretty much, I guess it just bursts or eventually leaks. That actually happened right after my 45,000 mile review video, which is, I don't know, it's kind of unusual that it happened then. So that was actually a costly repair when the entire rear subframe carrier was replaced. It was more like kind of like a goodwill gesture from Infiniti, because I've been buying Infinitis, oh my god, for I don't know, maybe 15 years, and with that particular dealership, they said, hey, we'll take care of it. I'm glad Baker Infiniti did that for me. I think that was a nice thing for them to do. But anyway, yeah, I don't see anything obvious that would be causing that sound. I'm gonna have to end up taking my QX70 to the Infiniti shop to have them take it on a drive test or something, for them to just to hear the sound that I'm hearing.
Even though I wasn't able to find a location of where the sound is coming from, it was worth taking a look underneath the car. I plan to make a separate video with what the Infiniti service department thinks is causing the sound. I hope you like this video. Remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button for future content. Until next time, I'll see you at the next video.